Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a birthday or date of birth on TikTok account. So you created a TikTok account in order to watch TikTok videos. You were asked to enter your date of birth while creating that account. You entered a wrong date of birth, you made a mistake, or you did it intentionally, and now you want to change your date of birth or your birthday on TikTok, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change your date of birth or birthday on TikTok in very easy way. It's a very simple process. You'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to change your date of birth in TikTok account is open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you open the TikTok application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change the date of birth from. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, what you want to do is go into your profile by clicking on the profile option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you go into your profile, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner. So the thing is, in TikTok you really don't have the option to change the date of birth directly. So what you'll need to do is put in a request in order to change the date of birth. So to put in a request to TikTok in order to change the date of birth, what you want to do is scroll down from support, tap on report a problem. Once you tap on report problem, here you'll see the list of issues that you can report. Now to change the date of birth, what you want to do is tap on this icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, you'll land on an interface something like this. Now here you want to create a new feedback, so tap on this icon on the top right corner again. Once you do that, what you can do here is type the problem you're having. So type the problem you're facing. Go ahead and explain a problem like you made a mistake or you deliberately entered a wrong date of birth and you want to change it. You can enter a message something like this. Once you do this, what you want to do is tap on the report button. Once you tap on the report button, you'll successfully initiate a request for your date of birth to be changed. So this will be followed by the TikTok's help desk. To keep checking your ticket from this feedback and help section, here from your feedback and help you can click on this icon, then you can follow the ticket that you initiated like this. Here you can see the ticket that I initiated. So that is the simple process in order to change a date of birth in your TikTok account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.